Droppy floats high into the clouds, where the sky glows soft and bright. Little wind spirits swirl and laugh beside her. Little wind spirits swirl and laugh beside her. Together they dance through the sunlight, painting colors in the sky. But soon, the light fades and dark clouds gather above. Thunder rolls across the garden, shaking the sky. Droppy feels the storm inside her heart, heavy, yet full of power. The garden fades away as the rain begins to fall. Droppy drifts down through the misty air, twirling softly. She lands on a tiny seed, resting in warm soil. From the seed, a green sprout rises toward the sunlight. Droppy smiles inside the leaf. Her journey has come full circle.